Now, listen up, my G. Even though you might not be getting laid right now, or you might not be getting much attention from women, or you're not getting many matches, you haven't slept with a girl for a while, you have, I don't know, you're just not feeling good in general about girls, you're failing. Like, come on, everyone goes through this period. I've had dry patches, I've had difficult patches, I've had unreal patches, I've had crazy sprees, I've had amazing women, I've had beautiful girlfriends. It's like this crazy time in Miami once where this is a bit messed up. I slept with 5 girls in a week, and they were all absolutely cracking. I was like, how the fuck did I just do that? But like, come on, man, you have your dry spells, you have your difficult times. So what I'm trying to say to you is, even during the dry spells, you have to remain strong and keep working on yourself as a man. That's all you can effing do. Need to swear less on this channel. That's all you can do. You must keep building yourself as a man. Even though you might not be getting laid, even though you might not be getting hot chicks right now, even though you're probably not getting that many matches, it's hard. I understand it. You want to be the tall, good-looking guy who's got the money and the status. Yeah. We get it. I understand that, right? I've constantly tried to strive my whole life to go up on the what I call the masculine medicine rating scale, right? So it's just like basically your if you like, call it SMV, even though I don't like that, but like, call it your SMV in general as a man, looks and status and everything, right? I'm always trying to go up on that scale, okay? I'm not sure what I started at. I have an idea of where I'm at now. I'd probably say I'm about an 8 out of 10 on the scale. A 9, in order for me to get to a 9, I'd have to blow this channel a lot more. I think I'd have to have a lot more Instagram followers. I think I'd need to have hundreds of thousands of Instagram followers, and I think I'd need to have about 100K plus subs here on YouTube for me to hit that next level, and even more than that, really, to be on podcasts with high level people and people like that, with really, really increasing my social status. To be honest, I think that would push me to a 9. Not getting some sort of surgery and trying to change my look. I don't think that's going to push me up there. Yes, you're probably thinking that way, but actually when you push your social status and you keep working and you become a better man and a more popular man, and a man that makes more money and the man that's in bigger circles, then you're increasing your SMV. So you got to keep working on yourself as a man, because then you will eventually find a good woman, and that woman will be worth you not getting laid for that dry patch, for example. Brother, it's better for you to have a high quality girlfriend and a high quality woman than for you to go and sleep with a bunch of different women right now. I know you want to, and I know that's fun, and I've done it, and other men have done it, and that's all we talk about, and sleeping with loads of girls, and woohoo, it sounds amazing. Yeah, okay, it's obviously fun, but it's hedonism, man. It's short-term shit. If you land yourself a cracking girlfriend in a year's time, but only got laid a couple of times this year because you were respecting yourself, working on your body, building your business, and building, and just working on yourself, and you find an amazing girl, it is worth it, bro. It is worth it at that point, okay? So you must keep working on yourself. You must keep working on your body. You must keep working on your status as a man. You must keep working on your happiness, your calmness, your anxiety, your paranoia. I was speaking to a couple of friends today who are very overwhelmed with all the work and the stuff they have to do with their life. And I told them, you got to work out even harder. You've got to write this stuff down. You've got to figure out what's stressing you out. You've got to break it down piece by piece. Okay? You have to be the man. Keep working on being the man, the G. And eventually, just because you haven't been getting laid that much right now, just because you haven't been getting that much attention, or getting matches, or the girl you like walked away from you, and all this shit that's happened to you. Listen, it's happened to all of us. Happened to me fucking loads of times. So what, man? Move on. I'm a G anyway. I'm gonna get better and better and better. And that's my attitude. You need to have the same damn attitude. Because if you've got that attitude, then eventually you will come across an absolute cracker, which actually I have now. She's great. I'm going to see her again in 3 weeks' time in London. She's coming to visit me in London when I fly back. Eventually, I haven't been focusing on going out there and getting laid right now. I'm not focused on that. I'm focused on my business. I'm trying to build a crypto hedge fund, and I'm trying to raise hundreds of millions of dollars. Like, this is some serious shit. I'm not out here chasing women on a daily basis on the street and cold approaching, bro. I've done this for a long time. A long time. It's time to flip the script a little bit. So what I'm saying is that I'm in that period now where I'm not like chasing women. I'm chasing excellence, man. I'm chasing success. I'm chasing the next level of social status. I'm trying to push myself from an 8 out of 10 man into a 9 out of 10 man. A 10 out of 10 in my eyes doesn't. 10 out of 10 is Leonardo DiCaprio, and I don't know who else is 10 out of 10. Brad Pitt and shit. These are 10 out of 10s. These are people, untouchables, Hollywood stars that are good looking and wealthy and have super fame and have super social status. LeBron James, Cristiano Ronaldo. These are the 10 out of 10s in this world. There's not many of them. So I'm trying to push up to a 9. I would say I'm solidly sitting at 8 right now. What I'm saying to you to conclude this shit is that you need to keep being the man in order to find a good quality woman, because once you find that good quality woman, it doesn't matter how many times you've been laid. It doesn't matter that I didn't get laid, or I'm having a dry patch. Bro, you can go through a dry patch and find a knockout girl that's amazing for you in 2 months' time because you kept working yourself as a man. My brother, when people see you out and about, there's not a sign above your head saying how many girls you've slept with. There isn't that sign. You're not getting your pride and ego from that. When people see you out and about, they judge you in a different manner. Is he good looking? Is he handsome? Does he have money? Does he have status? How does he carry himself? Charisma, confidence, all the stuff I talk about on this channel. I don't need to keep repeating it. I hope this message reigns in with you. Ask me any questions in the comments. If you disagree, then I'll deal with you in the comments. If you agree, or you're having some sort of problems, or this really resonates with you, boom, say something in the comments. I'll interact with you. I'll respond to you. I love you. I'm doing this for you, for the improvement of man till I die. Peace.